Let's learn our 6 times table. 0 times 6 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12, because if we have two groups of 6, we have 12 counters altogether. 3 times 6 is 18, because if we have three groups of 6 counters, we have 18 counters altogether. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54. 10 times 6 is 60. 11 times 6 is 66. And 12 times 6 is 72.